I've been seeing people like wax crack Play-Doh poppers. So that's what we're going to be doing today. This is what our info is. Yeah. Okay. I'm really oh my gosh.
Oh my God, what is that?
Go ahead. What is that, bro? Okay, we're gonna try. The heck? What? And I'm back. Oh, I don't know why that one's green, but yeah. I'm gonna start off with blue. These. It's actually really pretty. Oh my gosh. Wait. If y'all don't know how to make poppers, why are you here? No, like literally, why are you here? Okay, fine, I'll show you. Because you asked me, bro. Flatten it. Okay, we flattened it. You're kind of wanting to like grab. Oh, stuck. Okay. What is that? It was a crumb. But as I was saying, you're gonna like roll it onto it and then go forward. Oh gosh. Yes. And then tuck it and then roll it again. That's how I do it. Oh. Since there's like a little opening right here, I'm just gonna pinch them together and like flatten it a little. Yeah, like that. Okay, you want to make sure there's a hole so you could trap air inside. Trap that. Oop, okay. And then trap that. Guys, this is taking way too long. Come back for part 2.